Namaste India, welcome to our channel. So today we have come up with barbecue nation, big barbecue nations, whereas like you in the Bangalore, in Marthalli, you all can come here. It's very cheap. Like you get it for almost for 840 rupees. You get all things here. Like you can taste up to 180 items, that too unlimited. So you can just come and join us. I have made the video. You can just see. Then you can just find out then you can just come over. All the details it will be present in my description below. So I will just show you all the foods today. Please come. Directly heading towards Barbecue Nations inside Lace. As you can see, the size of the hotel, it's very big, and you almost get 180 items here. All this item, if you see, you get some almost 180 items. This is Karnataka dish, favorite. Oh my god, look at this. Veg soft noodles here. You can see this. Smoking is coming out. Wow. Well, tadka. Plain rice. Chicken momos we have here. Oh, veg momos, it looks green here. Oh man. You have some poppers. There is so much mixtures here. chicken thukpa. Mutton masala. You have a kadai mudra. And here it is, your favorite ragi mudde. Yeah, this is Karnataka dish. Favorite. Oh my god. Look at this. Pineapple pickle. And this is the chat counter. ये लाइव चैट है भैया, लाइव चैट है ना. They have it as a live counter here. ऐसे नॉर्मल वीडियो बना रहा हूँ. हाँ सर, बहुत बड़े बड़े हैं. हो गया अभी सर, और थोड़ा टाइम चाहिए. This is the live counter of pizza. Instantly they make it. So well it is actually. So here it is. You know, directly they cook it. भैया कितने देर कुक करते हैं पिज़्ज़ा आप यहाँ पर? 3 मिनट में हो जाता है. 15 मिनट्स. ओके सॉरी, 10 मिनट्स तक कुक हो जाता है ना. सही है. You get in 10 minutes you know your pizza will be cooked. So you have all the recipe, whatever you like, you can just tell them this is the recipe here. Nati style chicken curry is cooking here live. Boti masala. Yeah, awesome. It's cooking here. Boti masala. Nati chicken. Got a popcorn here. Gulab jamun. This is the live counter. We get a lot of vegetables here. We got this crab soup. I haven't had this earlier. This is the first time I'm having.
No, you can't do that. You have to grab them.
No, I'm just showing that. Like in the video, I'm just showing it.
ಹತ್ರ ತಗೋ ಪ್ಲೇಟು. ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬೈ ನಂಗೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಾಕೋ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆಗಳು.
So this is the live counter of ice cream. Ice creams. Wow. This is a watermelon, barbecue watermelon.
ಸ್ಪೂನ್ಸ್ ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ಮಜಾ ಇರೋದು. ಏನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ತಿನ್ನಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
Chicken pizza. This is the welcome day, welcome drink. This is
hey, social distancing.
yes.
Cheers to all of us. 3D image ಹಿಡಿದ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Now we are starting. Actually, we want veg starter also.
Yeah,
Is the person is veg?
And you do one thing. Get two
Prawns.
pieces of, two receiving of prawns. What is it? Prawns, yeah.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇವ್ರೇನು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇವರು
ಏನಂದ್ರೆ
ಸುಂದರ ಸುಂದರ
There you have it, mutton cheek. ಮಚ್ಚ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಬಾ ಫಿಶ್ ಹತ್ರ. ಓ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಿಶ್. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಗೋ ಮಚ್ಚ. ಏ ಆ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಚ್ಚ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಈ ಥರ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡು. Prawn, sorry, mushroom. This is a watermelon, barbecue watermelon. This is the beautiful fish. So good it is. So this is the fish. Chicken pizza. Prawns. Barbecue prawns.